Aadya Hydro Solution is an ISO-certified company, introduces world's first 3-in-1 technology which has electronic plus magnetic and turbulence technology. Our water conditioner is the complete solution for all your hard water issues. After installing Aadya Hydro Water Conditioner, more lather from soap and detergent. Aadya Hydro Water Conditioner prevent hair fall and bath fitting remains scale-free. After installing Aadya Hydro Water Conditioner, prevent burning of leaf as well as save water up to 50%. After installing Aadya Hydro Water Conditioner, drip pipe and sprinkler remain scale-free as well as crop yield increases up to 50%. After installing Aadya Hydro Water Conditioner, soybean crop TDS 3800 ppm increases up to 50%. After installing Hydro Water Conditioner in cooling tower and boiler machinery, tools remain scale-free as well as no chemical dosing is required.